Hi guys, hello and welcome back to the second of the challenge videos that I'm going to be running, one every Friday. Welcome, it is absolutely delightful to see you. Please remember that for these lessons you are going to need a pen, there you are, get that into chart. You are going to need paper and you are also going to need a coffee or a beverage of your choice. Coffee, for me, always the essential way forward. Okay, hopefully you have already watched the lesson today, the poetry lesson on the eagle, and you had your appetite whetted, which is why you've popped over to have a little look at this challenge video. So, what I would like you to do first of all, you've got your pen, you've got your paper, quick click on pause, and I want you to please spot the personification in these sentences. Pause me, spot the personification. Okay, I'm hoping you've had a chance to do that. You can always rewind the video as well, remember, if I move too quickly. So, lightning danced across the sky. Lightning can't dance. Rita heard the last piece of pie calling her name. I hear that quite a lot too. But it can't actually do that. I'm giving the pie human characteristics. The moon played. No, it didn't, not really. The ivy wove its fingers. Ivy does not actually have fingers. We are personifying it. The thunder was grumbling. That is a human emotion. We are personifying the weather. The camera loves her. The camera cannot actually love her, but we are personifying it. Awesome. I'm hoping that we got them. I'm hoping we're fairly happy with the idea of personification and being able to identify it now. Okay, what we are going to do in this little challenge lesson today, you guys are going to have a go at writing your own descriptive poems using personification, using alliteration, and using similes. And we are going to be using the eagle as an example. If you forget anything about any of these, the personification, alliteration, or similes, the video, the actual specific English lesson that went up today goes into these things in much more detail. Okay, so to remind us of this poem, The Eagle by Alfred Tennyson. He clasps the crag with crooked hands, close to the sun in lonely lands, ringed with the azure whirl, he stands. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls, he watches from his mountain walls, and like a thunderbolt, he falls. I love this poem. I love it so much. Okay, what I would like you guys to do, pause me again in just a second. Think of an animal. So you could think of a penguin, a llama, a lion, a tortoise, a guinea pig, any kind of animal at all. You're going to need to pause me, probably for quite a long moment, but think of 3 similes to describe this animal, 3 examples of personification to describe this animal, and 3 pieces of alliteration to describe this animal. And if you want to, rewind the video, have a look back, because I think probably the personification is the hardest bit. Have a look at that list of examples that we had in purple at the beginning of this video, or have a look back at the poem as well. There's examples there for you. Pause me now, take your time, think of some good ones, press play on me again when you are ready. And press play. You back? Nice, thank you. Thank you for staying with me. Okay, I am hoping that you have your marvellous similes, personification and alliteration. Now what we need to do is you need to start putting it into a poem. So your poem is going to start the kangaroo, the wombat, the kiwi, whatever you're going for, right? The red panda. And then I want you please, oh, wrong way, sorry, let me go this way. No, there we go, found it, sorry. Using the eagle as a model, I want you please to try and use your metaphors, your similes, sorry, use your alliteration, use your personification to write your own little 6-line poem. The something, and you could say, she perches on da 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 da, close to the da 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 da, ring da 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 da. Use the eagle as your model. Use those similes. I keep saying metaphors, I'm wrong. Simile, simile, simile. Use those similes, that personification, that alliteration, and try writing your own version. If you do write one, please do email it to me because I'd love to see it. If you want to, don't tell me what the animal is and let me see if I can guess which animal you are writing about. You should have my email address. If you just type Christy into the email header, you will find me, and I'm sure, or I'm on Show My Homework, you can get to me there. But yeah, nice little challenge task for the day. And if you do have a go at it, please let me know. Oh, there you go. I've given you the example as well. I knew I'd put the poem in somewhere else. Sorry. Perfect. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. I'd be really excited to see any of your poems if you write one. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.